In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select with Wand Affinity Photo. We'll walk through using the Flood Select, often called the Magic Wand, to quickly grab areas of similar color, then tidy up the edges so your selection looks clean and intentional. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo and making sure you're in Pixel View, also known as the Pixel Persona, at the top of the interface. This mode gives you access to the pixel editing tools we need. If you don't see the options I mentioned, double check that you've switched into Pixel View. Next, choose the Flood Select tool from the toolbar. It looks like a magic wand. This tool selects pixels that are similar in color and tone to the spot you click. Look along the context toolbar for the tolerance control. Lower tolerance selects a narrower, more precise range. Higher tolerance pulls in a broader range. If your selection is too small, bump it up a bit. If it's grabbing too much, bring it down. You can also decide whether to limit the selection to touching pixels or allow it to find similar colors across the image by toggling the contiguous option. Working with layers, enable sample all layers when you want the tool to consider the full composite. Click directly on the area you want to select. You'll see a marching ants outline appear. If the selection creeps into places you don't want, switch to the selection brush tool to refine. Hold Alt or Option to subtract from the selection and brush over the unwanted parts. If you need to add back an area, release Alt or hold Shift to add as you paint. Zoom in for tricky edges so you can make precise strokes. Small, soft brushes help avoid jagged borders, and a tiny feather in the context toolbar can smooth transitions if needed. When you're happy with the selection and ready to clear it, press Ctrl+D to deselect. That's all there is to creating fast, accurate selections with the wand in Affinity Photo.